Welcome to our video tutorial on using free Lisp routines for text management in AutoCAD. Today, we'll explore 6 powerful Lisp routines that can make handling text in your engineering drawings much easier. Make sure to visit our free Lisp page on our website to download these Lisp files. Simply register and log in to get access. Once downloaded, you can place the .fas or .des files in any folder of your choice. To load these programs, use the Upload command in AutoCAD. First up, we have the Align Text routine. This free Lisp helps you align text parallel or perpendicular to a line segment. Activate the AutoLisp program developed by eSurvey within your CAD environment using the Upload command. Select the text entities you want to align. The program will scan the drawing, identify the nearest line segment, and align the text parallel to it. With this program, effortlessly align all text entities parallel to the nearest alignment lines with a single command, improving readability and giving your drawing a professional appearance. Load the program and type ALTL at the command prompt. Select all the text that you want to align based on the nearest line. The program will rotate the text parallel to the nearest line. Next, let's look at how to append prefixes and suffixes to selected texts. Highlight the text to which you want to append the prefix and/or suffix. Enter the desired prefix and suffix into the provided fields. Once entered, the program will automatically update all selected text with the specified prefix and suffix. Load the program and type APS at the command prompt. In this example, we select all proposed and existing ground level elevations and add the suffix M. You can see that all the texts are now modified. Now, let's explore how to rotate texts in the layout to match the model space angle using our Rotate Text Lisp. This Lisp has two command prompts. First, load the program using the Upload command. In this sample drawing, we'll look at the drawing and layout. In the layout, texts are not aligned properly. The first command, AA, allows you to assign angles to selected text within your drawing. In this example, we assign angle 0 to all texts representing survey numbers. If you look at the drawing in the layout, you can see the text is not properly readable due to rotation. With the second command, RTLA, the program prompts you to select the rectangle associated with the layout. Once selected, the program reads the angle information from each text and adjusts the text rotation angle accordingly. This automated process ensures that text angles are appropriately aligned, enhancing the readability of the output. Let's move on to selecting texts falling within a specified value range using the Select Text Lisp. Load the program using the Upload command. Type STSP at the command prompt. Specify the minimum and maximum height values for the desired range of texts. In this sample drawing, we'll specify a minimum height of 1.5 and a maximum height of 2. Select a text in the title layer. The program highlights texts within that range, streamlining the selection process and enhancing overall efficiency. Next, we'll show you how to split text into individual words using the Split Text Lisp. Load the program using the Upload command. Type STX at the command prompt. Select text with the value Executive Engineer. Specify the distance between words as 12. The program automatically splits the selected text into multiple texts, with each word becoming a separate element. The split texts are placed at specified standard distances, ensuring uniformity and consistency in your text arrangement. Lastly, let's look at how to snap text entities to the endpoint of a polyline using the Snap Text Lisp. Load the program using the upload command. When you run the program using the SNT command, it scans your drawing to identify text representing junction numbers and the associated polylines. The program automatically snaps the text to the nearest endpoint of the polyline, ensuring precise alignment without manual intervention. If multiple text objects are detected near an endpoint, the program flags them for your attention, allowing you to make corrections as needed. We hope you find these Lisp routines helpful for your projects. Don't forget to download these free Lisp files from our website. We also customize Lisp routines as per your requirements. Send a sample drawing to info@esurveying.net if you need a custom Lisp. Thanks for watching and happy drafting. Contact eSurveying Softtech if you want to see a free demonstration of our Road Infra Suite or Water Infra Suite.